Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how you can easily restore old photos with Gemini AI. Let's begin. First, open up your favorite browser, go to Gemini. Once you have successfully logged into your account, click over here, this plus icon, upload your image. So this is going to be the image I'm going to work with. First, I'm going to view this so you can see exactly how damaged the photo is. So there it is. It has lots of folds and crinkles on it, and it's so faded. So we're going to restore this using Gemini AI. So here, right now, the next step is to simply ask ChatGPT or Cloud AI for a prompt. So I'm going to use Cloud AI for this. You can also use any AI software, preferably ChatGPT or this Cloud AI. So give me a prompt to restore old photos or damaged photos using Gemini. I'm going to hit enter. You can be very specific about what damage or how would you like to restore your photo. So here, I will now simply copy, paste this. You can even further read the tips that they will provide to you. I'm going to go back to Gemini, paste this, and hit enter. So just wait for a few seconds to a minute. Gemini will recreate your image and restore your photo. All right. And there you go. It has been successfully restored. It is good as new. You can also try to ask if you would like to get this colored, but that will be a bit more detailed. So for this is good enough. Just a simple prompt and the photo was successfully restored. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.